If you've ever worked with Rick Simpson Oil, you know it's crazy amazing benefits, but you also know the struggle of trying to get an exact dose out of one of these, not to mention the sticky mess. But what if you can get all the amazing benefits of Rick Simpson Oil without the hassle of the traditional RSO syringes? For years, RSO has been touted as a miracle oil helping people with everything from anxiety and chronic pain to cancer. But here's the reality: using it feels like a chore. You're working with an unfamiliar syringe and confronting the sticky tar like substance. You're trying to push out the thick oil without making a sticky mess, and you're guesstimating your dose. And when you're pressed for time, you're skipping it entirely and forfeiting RSO's incredible benefits. So let's be clear: RSO shouldn't be a struggle. It's designed to enhance your health. It's intended to boost your immune system. It's not meant to be a daily battle, especially for those with hardcore conditions such as arthritis, chronic pain, or cancer. That's why so many people are abandoning traditional RSO syringes to embrace a superior alternative. It's an innovation delivering all the benefits of RSO without the hassle. It's a precise, measured solution that's just as easy as taking a vitamin supplement, and it's getting remarkable results. This is a reimagined approach to RSO consumption, one that is precise, easy, and designed to fit effortlessly into your daily wellness routine. The breakthrough: MyFitLife RSO Capsules and Tinctures, two thoughtfully designed options that eliminate the struggle and simplify your life. Whether you prefer the familiarity of capsules or the flexibility of tinctures, the choice is yours to customize your personal RSO journey. What makes RSO capsules and tinctures a game changer for you? Mess-free convenience. No more hard-to-handle syringes or a sticky mess, just a quick and easy mess-free solution. Precision dosing. Say goodbye to the guesswork and hello to exact measured doses every time. Use anywhere, whether at home, work, or on the go. RSO capsules and tinctures are inconspicuous and fit effortlessly into your daily routine. Maximum value and minimal waste. Experience the full potency of your RSO without wasting a precious drop. Quick and easy. Prepare and consume in less than 30 seconds. Make no mistake about it, this is the easy button of RSO. I've carefully designed our RSO capsules and tinctures with one goal in mind: to provide a simple, effective way to harness the power of RSO without the hassle. In other words, MyFitLife RSO capsules and tinctures offer the same quality, purity, and potency of traditional RSO syringes, so you can focus on feeling your best without the sticky mess or frustration. Why I created RSO capsules and tinctures. If we are meeting for the first time, my name is Al Morenton. I went blind from glaucoma, and I got my vision back with these cannabis oils and crushed a lifetime of migraines and chronic pain along the way. I've been taking RSO, also known as feco or full extract cannabis oil, every day for more than 12 years to maintain my results. I love the amazing benefits I get. I mean, let's get this straight. Being blind sucks. And if I stop taking this stuff, my vision starts to break apart in about 24 hours and I go blind in about a week. That's a story for another time. But the point is that I depend on this stuff. And that's why I'm called Patient Zero at MyFitLife. And here's the deal: I extract and formulate chemical-free holistic and alternative health products and have done so since 1992. After working with RSO syringes for about 3 years straight, I had some clients ask if there was an easier way to take RSO. Why? Because they couldn't get the feco out of the syringe. They had late-stage cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, and other ailments that made getting this magical oil out of the syringe almost impossible for them. I mean, I get it. People with these ailments, they have enough struggle in their lives. They shouldn't have to struggle to take their wellness products too. So I set out on a mission to develop an easier way for them to take RSO. I first looked into what was available on the market, talking directly to brands, going into dispensaries, etc. But what I saw horrified me. Gummies, gel caps, tablets, edibles, etc. Every option had added chemicals and or preservatives that are known to harm your health, which is the exact opposite of what we're trying to do. Personally, I'm all about quality, purity, and potency. That's why I have complete oversight from seed to plant to extracted oil to formulated finished product. But why? Why do I care so much? Because every step from soil to oil matters. So every step has to be done right every single time, period. Remember, I'm patient zero for the company. I depend on this stuff as much or more than many of our clients, and I'll only ingest the absolute best. So after months of experimentation, I decided on capsules and tinctures. That seemed like the healthiest route for me and the MyFitLife community. I figured that if I can get the RSO to infuse with a nutritious carrier oil, I could make capsules and tinctures for our community that were free of preservatives or chemical additives such as binders, excipients, or flow agents. We tested a variety of prototypes with different carrier oils to see how effective each one was. Now, you may be asking yourself, what is a carrier oil and why does it matter? A carrier oil is a delivery system, so it literally delivers or carries the RSO into your body quicker and better. We tested mainly on military vets who were injured and had severe chronic pain along with PTSD. In the end, we decided on an organic full extract MCT oil. But why MCT oil? Because some of our test subjects had part of their stomach or intestines removed due to injuries they got in Afghanistan or Iraq, and they were able to absorb the MCT oil much better than the other carrier oils, which means they were able to absorb more of the RSO. The original product I created was a 10 gram or 10,000 milligram tincture that was and is so amazing that I called it the elixir of the gods. And it's still our most popular product today. But I wasn't finished. Next up was the capsules. I had to find capsule shells that were natural, plant-based, no chemicals or preservatives. And they had to hold oil without leaking. That was the biggest challenge. It made me realize why everybody had those bullshit gel caps, gummy bears, tablets, etc. Because it's easy. Not to mention that 99% of cannabis and CBD companies, they don't even make their own products like we do. They simply white label from a contract manufacturer, meaning that someone else, another company, makes their product for them. So they have no oversight on quality, purity, or potency of any of their products. I must have tried over 100 different capsules that all claimed to hold oil without leaking, but failed miserably. What I found was that almost all capsules that contain oil have a process done to them called banding that seals the capsules so they don't leak. Seems great, but the chemicals in the banding are the same harsh chemicals that are in gel caps, even the ones that claim to be healthy. But it's not healthy, so it's not an option for me or my community. After more than 2 years, I was just about to give up on capsules and just stick with the tinctures. Then I found what I was looking for, a small capsule manufacturer that developed a capsule that was natural, plant-based, and it had a patented design that did not require the chemical banding. I gave it a try and it worked. I was finally able to offer capsules to our community and they were an instant hit. So my mission was a success. Our new RSO capsules and tinctures not only made it easy to take, they also eliminated the mess, guesswork, and complications of the traditional RSO syringes. Our community was now able to experience the full power of RSO with confidence and never have to skip a dose because of difficulty or time constraints, myself included. Look, I don't use the syringes anymore. I simply take the capsules or tinctures because they work so well and they are quick and easy. It's a no-brainer for me. Now let's talk about potency and effectiveness compared to the RSO oil in a syringe. Our RSO capsules and tinctures, they deliver the same powerful full spectrum extract as our RSO syringes, simply in a more accessible form. Plus, with our organic MCT oil as the carrier, absorption is maximized, ensuring you get the full benefits of Rick Simpson oil. Pure, transparent ingredients. Our RSO capsules and tinctures, they contain just two premium ingredients, pesticide-free RSO and organic MCT oil. No chemical additives, no preservatives, just uncompromised quality, purity, and potency with every batch. What about gummies, gel caps, or tablets? As mentioned before, you may see RSO in alternative forms like gummies, gel caps, or tablets, but it's important to consider purity and effectiveness. All of these options contain chemical additives and preservatives that have been shown to harm your health. Our RSO capsules and tinctures, they're just as easy and convenient to take as gummies or tablets without the chemicals, while delivering the same quality, purity, and potency of our RSO syringes. How to use MyFitLife RSO capsules. RSO capsules make precise dosing effortless. They are available in a range of dosages that suit your needs. You can choose from 25 milligram, 50 milligram, and our new 100 milligram capsules. Next, you simply take your recommended dose with your favorite beverage, and that's it. No mess, no hassle, just pop and go in less than 30 seconds. How to use MyFitLife RSO tinctures. For those who prefer a liquid form or just don't like capsules, RSO tinctures are a great option. You can choose from 2,000 milligram or 10,000 milligram bottles. Place the recommended number of drops under your tongue and hold for 30 seconds. Then swallow the remaining liquid down. That's it. No mess, no hassle, just squirt and go. Make no mistake about it. Myself and my clients have gotten significantly better results since introducing our RSO or feco capsules and tinctures. However, discovering where to get the best RSO, that's just the first step in your Rick Simpson Oil journey. The next step is to understand how to take RSO for maximum effect and results. Check out my RSO dosing guide that shows you step by step how to administer the Rick Simpson protocol. It's one of the most viewed RSO videos on YouTube. And be sure to reach out to me if you have any questions about RSO, how to take it, or where to get it. This is Al Morenton with MyFitLife and Movida. I hope you have a beautiful day. Peace.